Hi guys, it's Avas from Trendy Startups. Today I'm gonna show you how to change screen resolution and size in Windows 10. So a screen that has the resolution of 1920 by 1080 can display 1080 pixel vertically and 920 pixel horizontally. Higher the number of pixels, a screen can show the sharper and more detailed the image quality. So here I'm going to show you the very easy process to change screen resolution and size in Windows 10. So let's get started. So guys, to change screen resolution, you have to simply click on start button. Now here you can see the option of settings. Click on it. Now here you have to click on system, or you can also access this page by typing in search bar. By typing in search bar change screen resolution. So here you can see display resolution. So from here you can select the resolution which you want. Scroll down and here you can see the option of advanced display settings. So click on it. So here you can see refresh rate. So from here you can check the refresh rate. Here you can see the option of scale and layout. So from here you can change the size of screen. So here you can see 100% recommended. So here you can see your screen size has been changed. So I want 100, so I'm going to set this as 100. So you can see we have changed the resolution and the size of the screen. So you can also change the resolution and the size of the screen by following this process that I have shown you step by step. I hope this information was helpful for you. Thank you for watching. Have a good day.